Okay, I have to show you my new rain barrel. It starts with the leaf diverter that's right there. The water goes down. And then it goes that way. See the tubing there? It goes that way. You have to go through the dog pin. So it goes through that way and makes a turn right there, and then it goes up and into my 500-gallon rain barrel. That's one downspout. The other downspout is right there, and then it goes, you can't see, it goes down. I'm sorry, it goes across there and into the rain tank. This is where the overflow goes. It goes down into underground drainage, and it goes through underneath there, and then it goes back under there on the other side of a big retaining wall, and then into another just 55-gallon tank. Anyway, that's my rain harvesting.